Have you ever thought, what if someone is secretly watching my phone? Or, how do hackers actually hack people? The truth is, most hacks are not like movies. No black hoodies, no magic code. Hackers usually trick people, not just systems. In this video, we will explain how hackers hack you and how you can stay safe. What is hacking? Hacking means gaining access to someone's device, account, or data without permission. But here's the important part: most hacking happens because of human mistakes, not just technology. 1. Phishing. The most common trick. This is the #1 method hackers use. Phishing means fake messages or emails designed to trick you. Example: your account will be banned. Click here. You won a prize. Wrapped gift, reset your password now. These messages look real, but they are fake. When you click the link and enter your password, hacker gets your login details. 2. Fake apps downloads. Sometimes hackers create fake apps or software. You think this is a free game or tool, but actually contains malware, virus. Once installed, it can steal your data, track your activity, slow down your device. 3. Weak passwords. Using simple passwords is like leaving your door open. Examples of bad passwords: 123456. Password, your name. Hackers use tools that can guess these passwords in seconds. 4. Public Wi-Fi danger. Free Wi-Fi sounds great, right? But it can be risky. Hackers can monitor your activity, steal login info, intercept data. That's why using public Wi-Fi without protection is dangerous. 5. Social engineering. This is when hackers manipulate people. They may pretend to be your friend, act like customer support, call you with fake stories. Their goal: make you trust them and share sensitive info. 6. Data leaks. Old accounts. Sometimes your data is already leaked from websites. If you use the same password everywhere, one hack equals all accounts hacked. How to stay safe? Very important. Now the most important part. 1. Use strong passwords. Mix letters, numbers, symbols. Example: don't reuse passwords. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra security layer. Even if hacker gets your password, they still can't log in. 3. Don't click suspicious links. If something looks urgent or too good, it's probably fake. 4. Install apps from trusted sources. Only download from Play Store, App Store. Avoid unknown websites. 5. Avoid public Wi-Fi for important work. Don't log into bank, enter passwords. 6. Keep your system updated. Updates fix security problems. So always update your phone and PC. Most hackers don't hack like movies. They trick you, fool you, use your mistakes. So the best security is awareness. Quick recap: hackers use tricks like phishing and fake apps. Weak passwords are dangerous. Public Wi-Fi can be risky. You can stay safe with simple steps. Now you know how hackers hack people and how to protect yourself. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte Board and tell us in the comments, what should we explain next: cybersecurity, dark web, or VPN?